Since the launch of the Insta360 X5 in April 2025, it has dominated the consumer 360 camera market, thanks to its stellar software, invisible selfie stick effect, and unique replaceable lens system. However, competition has increased over the past year, narrowing the gap between the X5 and its rivals. With regulatory filings and credible leaks hinting at an imminent release, the Insta360 X6 is expected soon. The key question now is what it will deliver and whether it can regain the ground Insta360 has been losing. On March 31st, 2026, leaker Mauro Tandoi shared a screenshot of a regulatory filing on social media, captioned "X6 is coming." The filing listed the product as Insta360 X6, with model designation CINSABXA and an active status. Such regulatory filings typically appear weeks before a product launch, similar to the X4 and X5. This documentation confirmed that the X6 is real, cleared for US sale, and likely arriving soon. Insta360's release pattern reflects a shift from fall launches to a consistent spring window, starting with the X4 in April 2024 and the X5 in April 2025. The gap between generations has narrowed, now averaging about 1 year due to increasing competition from DJI and GoPro. A June 2026 announcement seems likely, especially since Insta360 recently lowered the X5's price by around $100 across major retailers, a typical sign that a successor is on the horizon. To understand what the X6 needs to fix, you have to be honest about where the X5 started slipping. In daylight, it remains excellent. The software pipeline, particularly the shot lab modes and AI-assisted reframing inside Insta360 Studio, is still more mature than anything DJI or GoPro offers. But low light performance became the persistent complaint. The X5 carries a 1x2-inch sensor, which captures a limited amount of light per pixel. Push it past dusk, into dimly lit interiors or nighttime events, and noise becomes a visible problem that even pure video mode can only partially address. DJI's Osmo 360, which arrived after the X5, came armed with a 1x1.1-inch square sensor featuring pixel sizes of 2.4 micrometers, twice as large as the X5's pixels. Larger pixels gather more light, and the real-world result is noticeably cleaner low-light footage with more recoverable shadow detail. The Osmo 3 also shoots 8K at 50 frames per second and captures 10-bit footage with a D-Log-M profile, giving colorists significantly more latitude to grade footage in post-production. Against that, the X5's 8K at 30 frames per second and 8-bit color pipeline began to look dated, not broken, but behind. That's the gap the X6 has to close. The most significant rumored hardware change for the X6 is a move to a full 1-inch sensor. Leaked test data indicates significantly better low-light capture and reduced noise in 360 cameras. Engineering a 1-inch sensor into a dual-lens 360 body without dramatically increasing its physical footprint is not a simple problem. These cameras have to house 2 complete optical assemblies in a form thin enough to disappear on a selfie stick, but the competitive pressure from the Osmo 360 leaves Insta360 little choice. If the 1-inch sensor arrives as rumored, the X6 would match professional-grade imaging and tackle the main criticism of its predecessor. On the video side, the X6 is expected to deliver 8K at 60 frames per second in full 360 mode and 5.7K at 120 frames per second in single lens mode. This increase in frame rate addresses issues with the X5's 30 frames per second limit, where fast motion can cause stuttering in 360 footage. At 60 frames per second, motion appears smoother, allowing reframed clips to compete with dedicated action camera footage, making it suitable for sports videography and event coverage. 10-bit color depth is also expected, possibly paired with an improved HDR pipeline. When you push a color grade hard, pulling shadows and recovering highlights, 8-bit footage breaks down into visible banding. 10-bit holds together. For creators who deliver anything beyond casual social content, this upgrade alone would justify the X6 over the X5. Battery capacity is expected to increase to between 2,600 and 3,000 mAh, allowing over 100 minutes of continuous 8K recording. The current X5 offers about 88 minutes, which is limiting for event shooters needing uninterrupted use. Additionally, a second-generation replaceable lens system is anticipated, featuring tougher glass and improved durability, giving Insta360 an edge over the Osmo 360, which has fixed lenses that require service if damaged. Insta360's software has long been its most durable competitive edge, and the X6 is expected to expand on that lead. Deeper AI integration inside Insta360 Studio and the mobile app is anticipated, building on existing highlight detection and one-tap reframing with more sophisticated subject tracking, voice commands, and automated edit assembly. For solo creators managing their own post-production, reducing the time spent manually keyframing a 360 reframe is not a minor convenience. It's the difference between the format being sustainable as a regular part of their workflow or remaining a specialty tool pulled out for specific occasions. Pricing estimates have clustered around a $549 to $599 standard bundle for the X6, consistent with Insta360's progressive model. The X4 launched at approximately $500, the X5 at $550. A modest increase from the X5 seems realistic given semiconductor costs and the component upgrades being rumored. Once the X6 lands, the X5 is widely expected to settle into sub-$400 territory, which would make it a genuinely compelling option for creators who don't need the additional headroom. It's worth noting that Insta360's CEO confirmed in March 2026 that the company plans to release 7 to 8 new products this year, spanning the Luna gimbal camera series, lavalier microphones, a new drone, and more. That breadth means development resources are spread across a wider portfolio than in previous years, and chip supply constraints remain a real variable across the entire camera industry. The X6 certification filing strongly suggests the camera is finished, but timing remains unconfirmed until Insta360 makes an official announcement. Thank you for tuning in. The Insta360 X6 isn't just an annual refresh, it's Insta360's response to increasing competition. If the rumored model lives up to expectations, it could elevate 360 content into serious production workflows. However, specs and real-world performance can differ, and we'll know soon. What do you think? Are you waiting for the X6? Or has the discounted X5 already impressed you? Share your thoughts in the comments below.